Good day. Today we are going to look at analytical geometry. So let's look at this question. They are saying that the Cartesian plane below points A, B, and C are vertices of a triangle. Point S is the midpoint of BC. So, and then also the line AS is perpendicular to BC. Okay, what else do we know? Okay, then 3.1. Determine the coordinates of point S. The coordinates of point S. So point S is this one. So which is the midpoint of BC? So we know the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is saying that this is midpoint of BC, right? This is the midpoint of BC. So we're going to have x1 plus x2 all over 2. This is y1 plus y2 all over 2. Let's continue. Okay, so the coordinates of B and C. So this is the value of x, which is -7, then the value of x, which is 1. So let's name this one x1, then this one y1, this one x2, this one y2. So we are going to have -7 plus 1. -7 plus 1 all over 2, right? We have named them. So we have y1, which is 1, then y2, which is -7. So we're going to have 1 plus -7, which is going to give you a -7 over 2, right? -7 plus 1, it is -6. So -6 over 2, that is -3. 1 minus 7, that's -6 over 2, that is -3. So these are the coordinates of S, which is what we want. 3.1.2. Determine the gradient of the line AC. Gradient of the line AC. So AC is this one. So let's find the gradient of the line AC. So the formula for a gradient. So we're gradient of the line AC. The formula for gradient, it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So we're looking for a gradient of AC. So these points, they are already named. This one is x2, this one is y2. So let's just say that this one is x1, this one is y1. So y2 is -7, y1 is 5. So it's -7 minus 5 all over x2. It's 1. So it's 1 minus x1 is 5. So which is going to give you so this one is going to give you -5, -7 minus 5, that's -12. 1 minus 5, that's -4, which is going to give you 3. So then 3.1.3, determine the distance of BC. Distance of BC. Okay, let's find the distance of BC. So the distance formula, It is saying that so distance of BC is equal to x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1. This is the distance formula that we are using. Is equal to, so distance of BC. So BC, they are already named. We have x1 and x2. So there we said x2 minus x1. So x2, according to this, it's 1, and then x1 is -7. So we're going to have 1 minus -7 squared plus, and then y2. Y2 is -7 minus, and then y1, it's 1 minus 1 squared is equal to, so this is going to give you 8 squared plus, then this one is -8 squared. So we are going to have 64 plus 64, it is 128. So root 28, that is 8 root 2, right? Then 3.4, determine the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. So we know that to calculate the area of a triangle, we say half base times height. And the height that we're talking about, it's a perpendicular height. So if we're looking at this triangle ABC, the perpendicular height of this triangle is AC, because we were told that, the perpendicular height of this triangle is AS, because we were told that AS is perpendicular to BC. So AS, this is our perpendicular height. And then BC, this is our base. Right? So we already have BC. We don't have the area, we don't have the length of AS. So let's first find the area of, the length of AS. 3.4. Let's find the distance of AS. So S2 minus X1 squared, Y2 minus Y1 squared, right, is equal to, okay, distance of AS. So we did find the coordinates of AS. They are -3 and -3. It's -3 and -3. And then the ones for S, the one for A, it is 5 and 5. So let's name them. Let's say this one is X1, Y1, X2, Y2, right? So X2 is 5 minus X1 is -3 squared plus, and then Y2 is 5 minus, so it's minus -3 squared. So this is going to give you what? 8 squared. This is also going to give you 8. So which is a square root of 128, which is 8 root 2. So now we have the perpendicular height and also the base. So now the area of triangle ABC is equal to half base. So the base is BC, half base times perpendicular height, which is AS, is equal to 1/2 times BC. What is the length of BC? The length of BC is 8√2. 8√2 times AS, area, the length is 8√2 also, which is going to give you area of 64. This is your answer.